Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to apply the chart for the selected data. Chart is nothing but a graphical representation of the data, which it is given in the numerical and character format. So in order to apply the chart, we have to select the area to which we need to apply the chart here. Only we'll take the subject marks. We are not taking sum and average, which are not comparable with the subject marks. So we have taken the subjects as well as name of the student. Now I have to go to insert. In insert menu, we have a chart it is. In this, I'll click on this arrow. By clicking on this icon, we have a different varieties of charts it will be showing. Still, we have a many different charts are there. If I go to the all charts, it will be showing the different types of the charts here. Line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area and all. So which of the chart we need to apply? Just we have to select. I'll be taking the column chart here. And now by selecting that one, I'll say okay. For the selected area, now the chart it is applied. Chart is applied for the selected area. And for the chart, we have a different options. Now I may go for the title of the chart here. Just by selecting this one, I may write it is a student. So in the chart, I need to change the title of the chart here. So here I can go for the student marks chart. Then now other options related to the chart here. Here we have a primary horizontal. If I select this one primary horizontal, that horizontal in x-axis we have a name of the students that it will be displaying. Primary vertical means in the vertical, that is the scale size of the bar it will be displaying. Like that only I may go for the primary horizontal and primary vertical. Vertical here x-axis, what is the values we have taken in the x-axis that we have to specify. Here we have taken name of the students. And like that only y-axis, what is the value in the y-axis that we need to specify here. So here in this, we have to go for the data labels, chart title and above chart centered. And here it is a primary vertical. Click on the primary vertical. Here I'll be taking, this is the marks. It will be showing the marks for the student here. So like this, we can change the vertical as well as horizontal axis label names. And then here we have a chart title. Above it is required, otherwise centered overlay. The position of the title, it will be changing. And like that only data labels we have to take. If I need the data labels at the center of the bar, it will be showing the data label. Or else it is required in the other position like inside and outside and wherever it is required, just we have to select that data label, it will be displaying on the screen here. And then along with the chart, if I need the table also, here we have a data table. Just we have to select the data table with the legend keys. That now by selecting this one, here we have a legends. These are called as a legends. Means here we have a subject. Blue color, it will be representing the subject 1. And orange, it is subject 2. And gray, it is a subject 3. And yellow, it is a subject 4. This it is called as a legend. Even the legend position where it is required, we can specify here. Here we can go for the no legends means it is not taking the legend. If it is required along with the table legend, we have to go for this one. So here we have a standard error percentage and all. Now here we cannot apply all these. And here we have a primary major vertical and minor horizontal. These lines, extra lines we need to represent here. We need to select this option. Like this, here we have a different options and position of the legend where it is required. Top it is required, we can take the top. That it will be coming in the table at the top. Suppose now I don't need the table along with the chart, data table, none I'll say. It will remove the table, only chart it will be coming. So position of the legend, we can fix with this one. Where it is required, left it is required, top it is required, right it is required. That position we can give here. And here we have some of the quick formats. The predefined formats are there. The entire table I need to convert into any of this format. I can select it and it will be converting to that one. And here we have a colors. You need to change the shades for the bars and all. You can go for the coloring. As per your requirement, you can apply the coloring here. And in that color shade only, we have a different formats again. So which of the format we need to apply, we have to select here and it will be applicable for the selected table. So here we have a switch row and columns. Row becomes columns and columns becomes rows. Subject as well as name of the students will be interchanging. So select data means it will be selecting the data. For which of the data it is selected, it will be applying to the chart. Now the selected data, it is this much that it will be highlighted. Okay. This is how we can apply the chart here. After by completing the chart, here we have I need to change this particular chart to the different format. The same chart I need to convert into the line format. I may take the line chart and I'll say, okay, it will be converting to line. And otherwise, I need to change it to the different, any other type of the chart here. I may go for the stack and I may go for the surface. We have a number of different types are there. And which of the type it is required, we have to select and we have to say, okay, it will be converted. So after by completing, after by putting the chart, again, if I need to take this one as a column chart only, I may go for the column chart and I'll be selecting this one. Okay. Now it is completed. The entire chart format we have taken. Whether we need to take this chart in the new page or a new sheet or here only. That is, here we have a move chart. This chart I am moving. New sheet. New sheet I am taking means I have to go for this one. Otherwise, as an object here only in the same sheet it is required, I have to select this one. Now already it is in the same sheet. Now I need to take that one in the new sheet. I'll say okay. So the chart will be created in the new sheet. This is how we can create the chart for the data here. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you for watching.